Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This video will be showing me do some crochet passion twist. Now this is one very quick and easy style to do. The hair I'm using today is the Tiana passion twist by TOYOTRESS. I'm using the color T1B30 in the 14-inch length. I do have another video of the same hair on a client in the color 1B and 18 inches. I'll put a link to that video in the description of this video. And back to the style, I used all 8 bundles that came in the bag. Each bundle had 12 twists in it, and do enjoy the video as I get started. Now I can take off the cape. I have the cape on because I'm dressed to go out and I do not want air all around my body. So I'm done with my cornrows now. Let me just throw some oil on my scalp. I've been using the Alicate Naturals Rochelle's oil, Alicate Naturals Essential 17 Hair Growth Oil. So this is going to be going on my scalp. I mean, my scalp is clean anyways. I was shampooed and deep conditioned, and I also have some leave-in. And let me just a little more. And I'm gonna take a quick break now to go make lunch for my husband, and I'll be back to continue. And so the hair I'm using is from TOYOTRESS. TOYOTRESS, thank you so much for sending this hair to me. It's the Tiana Passion Twist hair in 14 inches. I got this hair because I used this a couple of times on 2 clients. Yeah, I have one video on this, but the other time there was no video. So my client then, she used the 18-inch and I really liked the hair. So I was like, you know what, I think I'll give this a try also. So when they were going to send this to me, I wanted the color T350 because it's fall after all. This is supposed to be a fall hairstyle, but honestly with the kind of snow that we have outside right now, it's hard to say whether it is fall or winter because it's so beautiful. We still have the fall colors out there, but with all of the white blanket of snow, but it's okay. So because I got the color T1B30 without, they didn't have the 1B, they didn't have the T350, I took the liberty of pre-twisting some spring twist area in the color T350. So maybe just maybe I will be sticking some of this in addition to my Tiana Passion Twist hair, which I'm going to be starting with now. So this is the hair. I got 8 packs of this. There's 12 in each pack, and watch as I get started. Open, very easy to loop. See, the reason I actually wanted the 14-inch was because I feel like I'm done with long hair. Like I don't feel long hair on my head all the time, and all of the times I've had passion twists, they were long. So I'm like, you know what, why not, let me just go short at this time since there's an option to have it short. This is perfect. So So far I have 4 bags in my head right now. 4 bags. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so far this is looking like a winner for me because I cannot even feel a thing on my head. Now that's a major plus because I do not like styles that are heavy. So this 14-inch Tiana Passion Twist hair, so far on my head, I would say it's a winner. So I'm just going to continue now. This is the 5th bag I just cut open, and let me continue. Now I have 6 bags in. This is what 6 bags looks like. All of the back is complete. The sides I only have 1, 2, and this is a whole lot of air. A whole lot of air. And so I have 7 bags in now, and I'm looking like $1 million. See what 7 bags looks like. Yep. Last bag. This will be used to cover up my part, and that's it. And so I just finished installing this hair, all 8 bags of the Tiana Passion Twist hair in 14 inches. Do I like the style? Yes, I do. See, this is how it looks. Speaking of the weight, this hair is super lightweight. I mean, the 18-inch would have been a bit heavier, so I'm so glad I went for the 14-inch because I was like, when I used the 18-inch twice, I'm like, ooh, this might feel a bit heavy on my head. So I think, you know what, this one is just super perfect. I like this hair. I'll put a link to this in the description. Again, TOYOTRESS, thank you so much for sending this hair to me. Now, just one catch. When you're installing this hair, you have to be careful so you don't rip it. Like when I was installing, I don't know how I moved too fast with my latch, and I just pulled apart one of the twists. So that's something I'll just say you have to be careful about. Like when you're like pulling, just make sure like your latch is properly closed so you don't like rip the hair apart. And that's about it. But then, for the sake of all, I still want to put this bit of hair on my head. I do not need this, but just for the color pop, I'm gonna stick it all around. I don't know how many of this I'm gonna be using, but I definitely will put some of this in and take some cute pictures, and I'll be showing you. So thank you for watching the video. Thank you.